Model 2024 Transit 2.0 TDCi Leader 130 PS 350 L2H2 rear-wheel drive, runs and drives motored bargain trader margin open mouth smile CLEAN open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,718. MOT, 18 March 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Eco Blue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Open mouth smile gearbox is whining in several gears, will need replacing shortly. Clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.